Hi guys, this is Joe Travel and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the live performance of BGYO, their song entitled Patintero. This one was happened during their guesting on It's Showtime. So I'm really excited for this one because this is their live performance. So guys, if you haven't seen my reaction to their official music video of their song Patintero, just check on my channel. I just uploaded that one a day ago. So, before I proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So, without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Hello, Aces! Ooh! GL. May ano pa? May plaster pa ang mga noo. Ooh! Ang cute ng stage nila BGYO. Ang cute ni Mickey. Patintero. Ooh! Ang galing ng ano nila, performance Ang cute. Ang cute din ng music video nila, guys. Same outfit pa rin yung ano nila, sinuot dito sa live performance nila. Ang gagwapo talaga nila. Ganda ng ano nila, dance choreo sa. Ang rap nila, it's on point. Ganda ng mga boses. Ang ganda ng make-up nila sa bagay na bagay sa mukha nila. Ang cute ng dance choreo nila. Wow guys, nakaka-enjoy talaga panoorin yung live performance nila. As well as yung music video nila. Kasi naalala mo yung mga times ba na sa kabataan mo, yung uso pang laro doon, yung mga physically ano talaga, yung mga laro, yung habul-habulan, ito patintero, may piko, may mga ganun. Parang ngayon parang wala na kasi mo ang mga kabataan kasi ngayon more on ano na mobile, computer games, so parang inactive na yung mga physically physical na activity. So sana maibalik din to sa mga kabataan natin yung mga dating laro kasi napakasarap lang maglaro kasama yung mga kaibigan mo. Parang nakakawala ng stress, nakakawala ng problema. So ang galing lang. Ang ganda ng performance nila, guys. Ang galing ng ano nila, yung stage setups. So wow, Showtime. Ang galing, parang yung production talaga sa BGYO sa Showtime, parang impressive na impressive talaga. So, continue natin. Galing ng ano nila sa dance choreo nila. Ang moves nila, ang cute. Bagay na bagay ni Mickey yung ano niya sa, yung haircut. Ooh! Galing na nila mag-rap. Jello. Ang cute. Galing ni Nate sumayaw eh. Ang cute ng hairstyle ni JL. Aki, ang cute. Nate, JL, Jello, Nikki. Ang ganda nila tingnan. It's showtime. Wow, ang sarap nila panoorin sa live performance nila, ang stage setup nila, nakakatuwa kasi parang ano, hinantiwlad nila yung sa music video nila, parang sa fiesta ba, maraming like yung mga street foods. So there you go guys, my reaction to the live performance of BGYO on It's Showtime with their song entitled Patintero. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.